Okay, here we go again, another unboxing. I always worry when they send big boxes for little things. What's that thing that they say, big bangs come in small packages or something like that? I don't know. Let's see. But at least it's not peanuts. Okay. Good. Nothing is taped or anything. Now this is, I guess, bottom of the line cheap keyboard for Corsair. It's an RGB keyboard, K55 RGB that they sell, but I am impressed with Corsair's builds on almost everything. So let me get this box open real quick. Okay, let's take a look. Here we go. Got it open. I lied. It was taped. Should I say misspoke? Isn't that what the politicians are saying every time they say something that's not true? I misspoke. So I guess you can. Everyone can say they misspoke. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Well packaged. Not just thrown in. That looks like a keyboard. That's what it's supposed to look like, right? And it's not a mechanical keyboard, so it is cushioned or padded, whatever you want to call it. Oh, there's more. And there's your warranty. This is a snap-on armrest, I guess you could say. It's not cushiony, but the one I have on now is not cushiony either. But it does have some little texture and everything else, which is cool. Let's see how it goes. And that's it. Looks pretty nice. So we boot it and see what happens. Plug it in. Let's do that. I think that'll be a good idea. I mean, I just like the way Corsair builds their items. I've got 6 fans from Corsair, actually 7 from Corsair, and you can't even hear my fans going. But you can hear this air conditioner. I should have turned it off. Now, take 2 of this. You unboxed it. That's the Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. And it came very well packaged, as you saw. And so we're fixing to plug it in and see how it works. See if it works. Because it looks like it's just got a one USB connection. Okay, so let's do this.